Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, we're going to learn how to text someone on the Tinder app. So in this tutorial, I'll show you how you can easily send a message to a person on Tinder. Let's get started. First of all, open your Tinder app and tap on the message icon, which is the second last option from the right-hand side. Once you're here, you'll see all your matches at the top. You can only message the people you've matched with. If you haven't matched with a person, you won't be able to send them a message. For example, I've matched with this person, so I can simply type my message here and tap on send, and it'll be delivered to them. But as you can see here, I haven't matched with this person, so I can't send them a message unless they match or message me first. That's all for this video! I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If you found it useful, please share it with your friends and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching and have a great day.